Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David. And if you receive your products on Pop-Mart defective, then let me show you how to get some refund. If you have received a defective product from your Pop-Mart and you want to get a refund for that, then you've come to the perfect page. So first step is you want to take a clear photo or video that detects the defect of your product. That will serve as your proof to submit to their customer service. Next is you want to log in to your Pop-Mart account on the website or app and then go to My Orders or the cart and then select the order containing the defective item. Next is click Apply for After Sales Service, or if it's possible, there's a button with a Request Refund or Return. Upload your evidence and explain your issue. Next is the Pop-Mart customer service team will review your claim and then usually respond within a few business days. If approved, they'll give you instruction on returning the item, and then once they receive it, confirm the defect, you'll get your refund or replacement based on your request. So for faster result, make sure you file within the return window, usually 7 to 14 days from delivery depending on Pop-Mart's current policy. And that's all on how to refund your defective Pop-Mart's products.